Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. Let's break it down, break it down. Getting this iPhone was not easy at all. This is my old iPhone. Do you guys see the bend? That's not normal. The lady at the Apple store was like, you do realize if this phone overheated, it could explode. What? Let me show you guys what's on my iPhone 11 Pro. Hi. Hello. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I have not spoken to you guys in a very long time. But hi, hello, I'm back. So if you guys are new here, please subscribe. I promise you guys I have a lot of fun, spicy, real videos coming to you very, very soon. I'm actually going to Japan this week. So while you guys are watching this, I'm actually going to be in Japan, and you best believe I'm going to be documenting the entire trip. I also have a vlog channel, so make sure you guys check that out. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys what is on my iPhone 11 Pro. My beauty, my baby. She's beautiful. Y'all, if y'all wanna see me unbox this iPhone and go through trials and tribulations to get this iPhone, check out my vlog channel. I have a whole vlog of me like running around the Apple store. Literally, it was a shit show, honestly. Like getting this iPhone was not easy at all. And I pre-ordered this phone thinking that it would be simple. You pre-order the phone, you give them your coin, then they give you a date, you show up that date with that time slot, you get your phone, you go home. No, 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 honey. I went through so much yesterday, so if you want to check that out, it will be linked down below and at the end cards. If you guys want to check that out, definitely do it. Please give this video a big old thumbs up. It means a lot to me. I seriously love you guys so much, and I appreciate y'all still supporting me, even though sometimes I just don't upload enough. I know I don't. Like, what is wrong with me? Am I good? I don't know. I'm a new now, honestly. Like, I got my natural hair, I'm rocking the braids, I'm embracing my true beauty. I got my push-up bra on because I'm almost 23 and I need to look like a fucking woman. I'm out of breath. Anyways, let me show you guys what's on my iPhone 11 Pro. And it's definitely not the max. I got the smaller size, but I was going to get the max, but my iPhone 10, which, oh my God. Okay, pause for a second. Let's rewind before we go into the phone. My old iPhone, I'm gonna show you guys this. This is my old iPhone. Do you guys see the bend? What? That's not normal. The lady at the Apple store was like, you do realize if this phone overheated, it could explode. So that's why I got the new phone. Don't think I was just trying to be trendy. I legitimately needed a new phone. Like this is not normal. So, all right, let's open this baby up. So you open up the iPhone. This is what it looks like. Okay, okay. All right, alrighty. So first things first, I have my calendar, I have my photos, my camera. That's like all kind of what comes with the iPhone, so it's like nothing special. Then I have my Find My Friends down here. I personally love the app Find My Friends. It's so much fun. I'm just obsessed with it. So I love the Find My Friends app. It's so much fun creeping on where your friends are. I know it sounds really weird, but like me and all my best friends do it. So if you have me on Find My Friends, that means I really like you because I don't have a lot of people on there. So yeah. And then I have this app for all of my social medias. And this just has YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Google, Instagram, Snapchat, all of the things. And Yelp is in there as well. I love Yelp so much. If you guys are a Yelp person, let me know. Yelp literally saves me so much stress every day. I could be like in the middle of nowhere and like, let me Yelp where iced coffee is, and then I find it. So yeah. Most of my apps, I will say, are kind of organized. So it's not like that messy of an iPhone. I did make sure to like organize my iPhone on my iPhone 10 before I got the new iPhone, so I wouldn't have to do it on my new phone, if that makes sense. Okay, anyways. Next page. Oh, well, I guess I forgot to say, I have my phone, my Twitter, my messages, and my Spotify, which if you guys are not following me on Spotify, please follow me. I love my Spotify so much. I'm obsessed. I love creating new different playlists, even though I kind of just add to my own existing playlist, but I have a playlist called Teala's Tunes and it's poppin'. So if you guys want to follow me on Spotify, you definitely should. And then I don't know what the shortcuts thing is. I'm pretty sure it just came with the new iPhone. I really don't know what that means. Then I have a folder called My Life. I never named it that. It kind of just named itself. But it's Uber, Postmates, Dropbox, Attraction, which is like a law of attraction app, my Starbucks app, which I'm a gold member. I have over 2,000 points, so that is a part of my life. My Waze app, Lyft, my Cash app, Venmo, Amazon, OpenTable. OpenTable is a lifesaver. If you're a planner like me, which I am, I'm like such a type A person. I'm such a planner. I have to be like very organized with my schedule. I've always been like that. I wish I was like that cute, spontaneous, chill girl that's like, let's go to Paris tomorrow, but I'm not at all. Like, I need to know what I'm doing the next day, the exact time, all of that. But OpenTable is a lifesaver. It's such a good app if you just want to make reservations for you and your friends or like see what's open. You literally can just like make reservations. It's the best. Obsessed with it. Next, I have a folder called Folder. Very boring folder. Let's skip that. I have an app called a folder called Lifestyle, and this is the weirdest folder ever. It doesn't really make sense, so we're just gonna leave that there. I don't even need to say what's on there because you can see it. It's kind of weird. Then I have the education thing that just comes with iPhone. Literally, I never used any of that, so. And then I have my movies folder, which is just Fandango and Flickster. I personally use Fandango all the time. It's so easy when you buy a movie and then you can add it to your wallet, because me and Sierra always go to the movies and it's just a thing, so it's great. And then I have my games folder, which I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a big phone gamer unless I'm like super bored and I have no Wi-Fi. But I just put all the games on my phone in one little folder. So those are all the games I have. I love Cut the Rope. I know that kind of makes me sound like a child, but I love it. Then I have another app called Lifestyle. It doesn't really even make sense, but there's that. And then I have my health little folder, and this is just like vegetarian fact stuff. My fitness plan, core power, yoga, my birth control app, which is just so helpful. It always lets me know what time to take my birth control. And then over here I have my photo and video, and this is everything that I use for like Instagram to edit. Snapseed, Fuji, Lightroom. I don't use Lightroom. I have no idea how to use Lightroom. I don't even know how Lightroom is on my phone. So there's that. And then I have all of that. Self-explanatory, you guys can kind of see it. And then I have another health folder. This one's my favorite because this actually has like workout classes that I take, like my SoulCycle app or my yoga app, Whole Foods, ClassPass, Sweetgreen, and Domino's, very fitting. And then I have Chow Now, which is kind of like a Postmates situation, but you pick it up. Yeah. And then I have all of these, which also kind of boring. And then over here I have, this is like all my horoscope stuff. If you guys are into astrology, let me know in the comments down below. I'm a Sagittarius. I love the app CoStar. It's so fun like seeing how compatible you are with other people's horoscopes. I'm very into it. If you're not, I respect it, but if you are, you get me. My rising moon is a Scorpio, so I like connect with Scorpios, and a lot of my best friends are Scorpios, so it's weird. And a lot of guys that I like are Scorpios. It's very weird. But the CoStar app is great. Daily horoscope, Yoda, all that. Dunkin' Donuts, wine events, AMC Theater, all that. Then I have SeatGeek, love them. And then I have the Hooked app, Calm app, United app, yeah. So that is all that is on my iPhone 11 Pro. Yes, I feel like I look like I'm holding a robot. Like this looks so weird. I'm still getting used to the fact that my phone has 3 cameras. What is going on? The future, people, the future. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big old thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any of the apps that I have, and also what type of phone you have. I'd love to know. I'm very curious. I just appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support, and I will see you all in the next main channel video. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's break it down. Break it down. Break it down. Break it out. Break it down. Break it out. All right. I'm gonna go now. Bye. Bye.